Welcome to my closet. Hey guys, it's Sheree and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be going through my closet and I need to clean up my closet so bad. I have so many clothes I do not wear anymore and then I want to organize it for my new stuff and the things I still wear. So let's see what's in my closet. And I have all this side. I'm not sure if I'm going to clean out both sides today or if I'm going to clean out one side. I don't know. We'll see because it gets tiring cleaning sometimes. So, welcome to my closet. I know it's a mess, guys. I need to clean my shoes down here. My clothes are kind of crazy. And then up here is a little crazy. I have like old purses, things that I don't know where to put them. So I put them in my closet. But we are going to clean that out today. So don't judge me. I know your guys' closet get messy, especially you girls. Like, we have too many clothes, and yeah, I have it kind of disorganized between, I still have summer clothes, I have fall clothes, I have winter clothes, all kinds of clothes mixed together. So, and then could you guys see, I do have this little gray thing that's a little crazy. So these are things that don't get hung up, and they're kind of things that I fold, or like leggings or shorts and things like that. So I don't even know where to begin. Like, what do I do? Okay, I'm not gonna start in the front because those are clothes I do normally wear. So I'm going, there's like a lot back here, so I'm gonna just grab a few and take them out and we're gonna look through them. Okay, and none of my hangers really match. I know a lot of girls, they have matching hangers, but I don't really mind it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out clothes and make a pile for like donations, make a pile for keeping, and then things that are just old and like need to be thrown away, that are like ripped up and things like that. So let's do this fast. This is a work shirt. I don't even wear this anymore. I've actually never realized how much clothes I have. I have honestly too many, and a lot of this stuff I don't even wear. Like, ugh. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I'm separating what I want to keep, what I want to give away, or my sisters could look through it and pick what they want. So, and then after that I'm going to put it back in my closet, organizing it from like long sleeves, sweaters, short sleeves, tank tops, crop tops, things like that. I want them to be more organized, like dresses. So yeah, I'm just going to organize it, ones I want to keep, one I want to save, which is really hard for me because sometimes I'm like, maybe I'll wear this another time, or like maybe I'll need this sometime. But in reality, I haven't worn some of this stuff for like a year or 2 years, and I'm just holding on to it because I think I'm going to wear it later. So yeah, I'm like trying to get rid of as much as I can. I am keeping a lot because it's my clothes. I need them. So yeah, it's just really hard. Let me know if this is hard for you guys, because I know how you feeling, girl. And a lot of these clothes I wear to work. So some clothes I wear to work I don't wear outside of work. I feel like I'm more fashionable outside of work than I am inside of work, which is weird because my job, I'm a hairstylist, so we're able to kind of wear what we want and be more fashionable. But I don't know, I prefer to wear just like a regular shirt and like jeans or something to work, because if I get color on like a cute shirt that I really like, I would be very upset. So yeah, I like to wear kind of basic stuff to work, and then outside of work I try to wear more fashionable pieces and look cute, I guess. So a lot of the stuff in the front is what I wear, because obviously it's in the front. And I got 2 new sweaters, long sleeve shirts for winter, because it should be getting cold. And I bought these new hangers. They're like beige color, beige gray type of color. And I think they're really cute. I wish I could just switch them all, like all my hangers, so they all match. But I have too many hangers to do that, so I'm just going to leave it. Okay, so this is the pile I'm keeping and this is the pile I'm getting rid of. So I'm getting rid of a lot, but I'm also keeping a lot. So maybe I will still organize it and see what I really like and what I don't like. So I'm going to take these ones off the hanger and fold them up, put it in a bag, and I'm going to put these back in my closet in a very organized way. So yeah, you guys are going to see me do that. So for me, I like to do everything in sections, otherwise everything gets too overwhelmed and there's like my whole room's a mess. So we're going to do it in sections. I'm going to put this stuff back in my closet really quick. I'm going to have to organize it in a way. Let's see. So for example, I just bought these 3 t-shirts, so I'm going to put these in the front. I'm going to put them in like this area because these are like what I tend to like grab towards, and I don't know, I want the stuff that I'm like really into in the front. So let me do that. I'm going to change these hangers. So these 3 t-shirts, I got them at Target. I'm going to put them right here. They're kind of just basic essential tops. So let's get some more. And I'm going to start putting some of my long sleeves in the front because it should be getting cold very soon. It's actually hot right now, but it was the first day of fall, but it's still burning hot. But I'm going to put these in the front because they're new and I want to be able to see them when it starts to get colder. I do want to see them and be able to wear them. And I got these tops from Target as well. So Target is like my new favorite clothing store right now. I've been at Target shopping away, spending all my money. So shirts like these, like just a plain regular t-shirt, got it at Target. And then these ones, I believe I got them at Walmart. So there's a whole bunch of just plain different ones. So these are shirts that I would wear to work. I mostly wear black to work, but we don't have a specific color we have to wear. So I'm going to put these in the front because I do go to work every day and I need to use them. So I think I'm going to scoot over the tank tops a little bit and I'm going to put my work clothes right in the front right here. So these are going to be like my go-to favorites, basic tops. Then I'm going to have my work clothes, and then I'm going to have like tank tops, dresses, sweaters, things like that. So sweaters like this. So this is when me and my boyfriend went to San Francisco. I did buy this. So these are crew necks. I do believe I have 2 of these. So I'm going to probably put them on this side because on this side of my closet is where I put my jackets and sweaters. So I think I'm going to switch it and put these over there. Okay, so I'm kind of like organizing my hangers so they look nicer. I feel like I had them all like spread out different colors, so I changed all my work shirts to have white hangers, all my new stuff to have these new beige, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna change them all to like neutral colors like black, white, beige. I'm not gonna organize it too much because when I wash my clothes and I have to hang them up, I'm going to mess them up and just, I don't know, like make them all different. I feel like I always organize my stuff and then once I wash my clothes, it's like I don't have time to organize it the way I want it. So I think I'm going to put like the more neutral color hangers in the front and then the ones that are more pink and purples, because I do have pink and purples. I don't want to switch all my hangers right now. So the pink and purples, I'm just going to put them back here so you can't really see them. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Honestly, I think it's looking so good right now. Like, my closet could never look any better. So now I have some basic long sleeve tops. So I'm going to put these a little closer because it is going to start getting colder and I want to be able to see my long sleeve tops. So sometimes I don't forget about the clothes in the back, but I like to see them in the front because then I'm most likely to see it and wear it more often. So I want to put some of my long sleeves in the front. So I'm going to put them by my work clothes. So I have 2 skirts. I'm going to put these kind of like in the front back. Just because you could kind of wear these in the winter or the summer. So I think this one's more of a summer one and this one you could wear both. I don't normally wear skirts very often, so hopefully I start to wear these. I don't know. I'm in the middle of finding my style, guys. So if you haven't seen my Finding My Style video, you should go check that out. I put it in the description box below so you can check that out. Whew! It is getting hot. So I got basically the stuff I'm going to keep on the hangers, So I have another pile on the floor that I want to donate or have my sisters go through. I always see if they want anything first before I give them away. So I'm going to put this in a big trash bag and yeah, fold it up, look all nice, take these hangers off, and yeah, let's do that. So I got my handy dandy trash bag, and I'm just going to start by taking all the hangers off and just folding them up. I don't want to keep this one. So that actually wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. So I have all my clothes right here. So now we gotta tackle this part. So this is all the folded clothes and shorts and leggings and some more shirts. So let's get right in. I'm getting hungry. So I think I'm gonna finish this, do my shoes, fix them, and then I'm going to kind of organize up here. I do have some clothes that I already wanted to give away, so I'm just going to add that to the pile. And then I have to see, I think there's nail stuff in here that I got from beauty school. Oh, you can't even see. Oh my god, I look so short. I am not that short. Okay. Okay, so I already have clothes up here that I just took off. This is a nail kit box that I think I have some nail stuff in it. I have some stuff that I ordered. So I ordered some things from Shein. I ordered 2-piece sets, but this was before I figured out I'm going to change up my channel a little bit. I'm trying to make it more my style and not just trend style. So these are more trendy style 2-piece sets. So I think I might do a video on it, but I'm not sure just because I bought them already. I don't know if I'm going to send them back or something. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I have a nail kit box right here. I have some old purses that I don't use anymore. I think I'm going to slide them over a little bit just so it's not in the view. And then over here I have some coins that I have. I'm going to go cash those in soon, I think. And then I also have a mini Christmas tree, so that's obviously when it's Christmas time. I just keep it in my closet because where else am I going to keep it, you know? So yeah, just stuff like that. So let's just get right into it so I can have time to eat lunch. And yeah, so okay, so a lot of this stuff is the stuff that I bought from Shein. So obviously it's going to be getting cooler, so I can't be wearing these little cute tank tops and stuff like that in the wintertime or the fall. It's gonna be too cold. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put these away somewhere and save them for summertime. And I really want to keep this set because I think it's just so cute. And yeah, I just want to keep it. So I'm going to do the same thing to these last, I almost call them drawers, but they're not. They're like little, what do you call these? Little organizing things? I don't know. I'm just going to do it really fast and then I'll come back to you guys and show you guys what I did. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided to put my turtlenecks and things that can't really be hung up on the top one. The second one, to put my sweats. I always have a hard time fitting because I don't have a dresser. I have a little plastic thing. So I think I'm going to do a part 2 where I do the other side. So I do have a plastic thing where I keep my underwears, my socks, and my PJs. So I usually keep my sweats in there, but it takes up too much room and that drawer is always so stuffed. So I decided to put my sweats right here and then some shorts, leggings, and then down here is more. was that? So I put my leggings right there, and then dress pants, so if I had another interview, or I used to wear those at my old job, so I don't know if I should keep them if I have other interviews or something where I have to dress really fancy. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep those. And then at the very bottom is where I put those little tank tops and things that I got from Shein. More bright colors for like summer, and yeah, clothes that I don't normally wear on the usual. So yeah, I think that's really good. Next, oh, you can't even see way down there. Let me show you. Very last one is where I put those tank tops and things. So now we're gonna work over here in the shoe category. So I do have this shoe rack. I got this from Walmart, and yeah, it's one of them, and it stretches out, so I really like that. So I like to put my shoes up here. I try to keep it organized as I can. I'm gonna put the camera a little lower. So I try to keep it as organized as I can. I usually like to put the shoes that I normally wear in the front, or just new shoes that I really like and things like that. So yeah, let's just kind of fix this area up a little bit. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so I basically finished all my clothes and my shoes. So now we're gonna work on the top. I want it to be nice and cute. Well, I want to see what's in here really quick. I think it's just nail stuff. Oh, there's all my body sprays. Now I'm gonna scoot my purses over in the middle so you don't see them like the first thing you see, you know? Oh my god, it's looking so clean. I am so proud of myself. I can't believe I just did that. I'm going to show you guys a close-up of my closet and what it looks like and things like that. So I'm not going to show you the other side because it is a mess right now. So I'm going to show you guys, I think I'm going to do a part 2 cleaning out that side. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I think this looks pretty good. It looks so cute and it looks so organized. Oh my god, look at me go. So this is me cleaning my closet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!